Hello everyone, and welcome to another SOLIDWORKS Tech Tip from Hawkridge Systems. This is Jacob Ames, Senior Applications Engineer, and if you found yourself spending too much time digging through drawing sheets looking for specific views, then this video is for you. Today we'll be covering location labels in SOLIDWORKS drawings, which allow you to quickly find section, detail, or auxiliary views right from their parent view, or vice versa. Location labels have been around since 2015 and can save you a ton of time if you regularly work with large format or multi-page drawings. They're also exceptionally easy to create, so let's go take a look. Here I have a SOLIDWORKS drawing with a handful of parent views placed on the first sheet, along with a detail circle and a couple cutting lines which were used to create detail and section views. I also used the right view to create an auxiliary view, but as you can see, none of those child views are actually on this page. Now, I could go digging through the other 8 pages of this drawing document, hoping to get lucky and find them, but it's much easier to simply add a location label for future reference. Location labels aren't available on the command manager by default, so you'll need to go to Insert, then Annotations, then Location Label, or simply search for it using the Search Commands bar, and then drag and drop it onto the command manager for quicker access later. Once you've started the command, simply use the Property Manager to choose your format, and then click on a cutting line, a detail circle, or an auxiliary arrow to place the location label. You can always make adjustments to the location label after placement by clicking on it, and there are a few options to choose from. The first drop-down controls the shape of the label. All the options here show the same information, but verbose is a little more wordy. The next few boxes control the size of the label and the fit of the text, but the most important pieces of the label are controlled in the upper text and lower text drop-downs. Here, you control what the label actually shows. In this case, my upper text indicates the sheet number, where I can find the detail view indicated, and the lower text indicates the zone on the page where the view is located. Other available options include custom text that can be typed in, another sheet number option with an additional prefix, or the name of the child view. Now, keep in mind that the upper text represents the sheet number, not sheet name, so I'd recommend prefixing your sheet names with their page numbers like I've done here to keep things in order, because sheet name is not available in location labels. Now I can go right to page 6, then check out zone B4 to quickly find the detail view indicated on the first page. I can also apply location labels to child views to make it just as easy to locate their parent views, and the process is exactly the same, except that you need to click on the child view itself rather than a specific cutting line, detail circle, etc. This makes it exceptionally easy to navigate back and forth between parent and child views when they're on separate pages or if they're on large sheets. That's really all there is to it, but I do have a couple notes for you. First, the zone option for location labels only works if you have a border with zoning set up. If you're unsure how to set up a border in zoning, check out the video that we've linked in the description for a quick tutorial. If you prefer not to use zoning, you can still use location labels, but you'll have to use the view letter option or custom text instead, which may make finding the views slightly more difficult on large sheets. Now, we hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel for weekly tech tip videos on everything SOLIDWORKS and easy access to our huge library of existing tips and tricks. Finally, if you're looking to become a true SOLIDWORKS expert, be sure to check out hawkridgesys.com for more information on the SOLIDWORKS certification program and learn about all of our professional SOLIDWORKS training opportunities. With that, thanks for watching, and see you next time.